Hello everyone and welcome to Cake Radio episode 1, and on today's episode I will be featuring Heaven's Sweetness Shop, Samira Nunes, and 3SweetChicks. Now for a long time, I think as a beginner when I first started baking and looking at the things that people were posting online, what I always wondered was, how do people get the gold drip? So I did a few experiments. I remember the first time I experimented, and I'll insert a photo here. I did the white ganache. I did the ganache totally wrong, didn't dry, and then I painted over it with gold luster dust and vodka. So through the years and through times of experimenting, I've been able to perfect it, but I always do find that it's a tad tedious. I've had times when I'm in a hurry, I'm in a rush, and I just need to make the gold drip, and I don't have time to mix and paint and all that stuff. So I actually follow a account that is named Heaven's Sweetness Shop, and I do have my little iPad down here, so I will be looking. This is their Instagram name, and I did want to feature them here first because they do post a lot of tips. They repost a lot of videos that other bakers are making. So for example, let's say that you want to just have an account that you follow that has a ton of tips, videos, and that also sells merchandise. Heaven's Sweetness Shop is their Instagram handle. They repost videos like, for example, from the purple cupcake. They repost videos from my friend Jeanette from My Little Cake Pop Mold. Love. They also repost videos from Edible Art. Let's see what else. And they have tons of videos from other chefs around the world. One of them that caught my attention, obviously they all do, but the one that really struck me was this video. So this video is from Samira Nunes, and the caption reads, "Are you seeing the same thing? It's a gold drip. I wonder what it is. Could it be piping gel plus luster dust? Comment below and share what you think." And then it tags Samira Nunes here. So then when you go to Samira is actually, I believe, let's see what it says here, Brazil. So she's from Brazil. She does post a lot of small videos that she does. She also teaches classes. So I'll go ahead and leave her handle here, and is actually the inventor, from what I know, of the gold drip. So after a few hours, I think this was posted a few hours later, Heaven's Sweetness Shop, I have trouble saying that because of all the S's. Heaven's Sweetness Shop posted this little post here with the recipe. So it says gold drip recipe. There's the recipe. And then it says, if you watched the video we posted last night with the gold drip, wondered how to make it, here's the recipe. We contacted the creator, Samira, and she was so lovely to share it. So the recipe's there. And one thing that I love about this, you guys, is that they're not just reposting videos, they're actually going out of their way to find the people that are making these videos, and if the people that are making the videos willing to share a little bit of tips or tricks or a tiny recipe or whatever it is, then they go ahead and repost it here. Now, Heaven's Sweetness Shop is also a company based in Florida, and I actually got the wonderful opportunity to meet the owner. I think it was in SoFlo of this year. I don't think she remembers me. I was with Icing Images at their booth, and she did come up to me and ask me something. She's super, super nice. They also, on their website, post classes locally. So again, this is a great resource if you're looking to find, like they have here on their bio, baking plus party shop, motivation, inspiration, demonstration, and the latest tools in the market. This is a great account to follow. So again, Heaven's Sweetness Shop and Samira Nunes. Okay, you guys, so this one is super, super good. Obviously, they're all good. Everybody featured here is good, talented. This one I first heard about through my friend Angelica from Red Flower Creations. I'll post her handle here. This company is called 3SweetChicks. They have an Instagram page, they have a YouTube, they have a website, and basically they are innovators, product designers, product developers, sugar artists, crafters, entrepreneurs, and they do all kinds of things. So among the things that they do have a lot of new, what would you call it? Like a lot of new inventions for the cake world. Let me tell you some of the things that they have. So recently they did post about this. It is a pretzel rod stand. So for anybody that does those chocolate dip pretzels, or I don't know what else you dip pretzels in, but you know, those big pretzels, they made a stand for it. They have different sizes, like a different size of board depending on how many you want to hold. They have a spray booth. They have a cookie silk screen. They have a cookie dough rolling board. You know, they have tons and tons of products. The one that caught my attention when I first found out about them are called, it says hashtag reclaim your space. They are the cookie sheet separators / dividers / stackers. So I did post a video a few weeks ago regarding the bun card, which again, if you don't have a lot of space, even though that bun card is the small version, the one that I featured, this is a great item for you. So I'm going to go ahead and link that here so you can look at the photos, so you can look at their websites for the products. Now, the thing that really connected me emotionally to them is their mission. So let me get that so I can read it for you. Okay, so once you go on here onto their website, go to their About Us section, and it says, I'm going to skip a little bit around, you can read the entire thing, but here's what really touched me. It says, as a mother of twin young girls, I know how inseparable the idea of mothers and children are. In hopes of helping in some small way to heal a child, a portion of all 3SweetChicks sales will be donated to child sex trafficking survivors. Visit my website to learn more about this very worthy organization in the upcoming weeks with full details. So, like I did mention in episode 0, I do want to feature brands and companies and people that are going about their way and that have a connection to the community and that are trying to help and give back. So definitely I will leave their information here. It's 3SweetChicks.com. And again, they have many different products, an array of products, so they most likely will have something for you or for somebody that you know. It's a great way. Alrighty guys, so I do hope that all of these resources and the people that I mentioned today are people that inspire you, people that you are able to use as inspiration, that you are able to use their products, that you're able to use their classes if they offer them, take their classes, visit their websites, share it with your friends, because definitely we do need to support each other. And if you know of anybody that is needing, you know, the products that they offer, definitely let your friends know that that's where they can buy. Support local businesses, small businesses. And again, if you do have any questions, leave them in the comments below. All the information mentioned today, that's a mouthful, will be listed in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.